Friends, you all enjoy the games on mobile and computer, and in such a situation you all must have heard that if you want to enjoy the games in good quality, then these graphics card are mostly required. What is the graphic card and how does it work? Today in this video I am going to talk to you about such a thing. My name is Muhammad Kashan. Then let's go for start the video, guys. First thing is that, what does graphics card mean? A graphics card is a type of display adapter or video card installed within most computing devices to display graphical data with high clarity, color, definition and overall appearance. A graphics card provides high-quality visual display by processing and executing graphical data using advanced graphical techniques, features and functions. Then we discuss some more information about graphics card. A graphics card is primarily designed to remove the graphical processing tasks from the processor or RAM. It includes a dedicated graphical processing unit, GPU, and a dedicated RAM that help it to process graphical data quickly. Like most processors, a graphics card also has a dedicated heat sink to keep the heat out of the GPU. A graphics card enables the display of 3D images, image rasterization, higher pixel ration, a broader range of colors and more. Moreover, a graphics card includes various expansion ports such as AGP, HDMI, TV and multiple monitor connectivity. A graphics card can be integrated within the motherboard or be added on as an extension card. Then we discuss about how graphics cards works. A graphics card works along the same principles. The CPU, working in conjunction with software applications, sends information about the image to the graphics card. The graphics card decides how to use the pixels on the screen to create the image. It then sends that information to the monitor through a cable. And last thing we discuss about graphics card is that, is graphic card are important for you or not? First thing we talk about gaming. Most frequent use of a discrete GPU. Many games are rendering 3D environments and special effects in real time, and it takes some serious computing power to do it. Without a discrete GPU, rendering all of the special effects, shadows, reflections, etc. of a modern game becomes too difficult a task for the limited processing power of an on-CPU graphic solution. A discrete GPU helps greatly here. Then we talk about 3D visualization. Graphics processing units drive viewport performance in many 3D visualization applications. Everything from computer-aided design, CAD, to powerful 3D modeling and VFX platforms like Maya, 3ds Max and Modo. Okay, there are lots of others, but you get the point. Software that lets you visualize objects in 3 dimensions relies on the GPU to draw those models in real time as you rotate them, move your view, etc. So here, you see graphics cards are most important for these purpose. So here we done all information regard graphics card. So thanks for watching.